How to disconnect or unlink your Instagram and Facebook accounts. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can unlink or disconnect your Instagram or Facebook accounts. So if your Instagram and Facebook accounts are linked together, you can disconnect them by using this easy technique. So you can open either Instagram or Facebook. I will be going with Facebook. So simply open your Facebook application, and once you are inside the home tab, simply tap onto these three lines present at the top right corner of your screen. Now in here you will need to click onto this black settings gear icon at the top right again, and it will lead you to settings and privacy page. Now in this page, click onto Meta Account Center at the top, and under the Meta Account Center you can see this interface. So simply scroll down and choose accounts. Now under accounts you can remove any of the accounts that you want. So since currently I'm on Facebook, I will be removing it from my Instagram account. So click onto this remove button, and from here you have these options. It says, are you sure you want to remove this account from the account center? So you can click onto this remove account. Also you can explore other options if you would like. So I will click onto remove account and then click on to continue, and from here it says finish removing your account. I will click on to yes, finish removing, and just wait for it to process. And once the process will be done, you can see that the account has been successfully removed. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.